Oh. Oh, there we go. We're right across the street from where it is. Yeah.
No, dude, that's not.
Well, not all of them have trail. There's one. Another one. Two more.
Hey, Jake. Hey, what's up?
Oh my God!
Your bike.
Really? You came back? Really?
Yep.
Oh my God!
America.
America, fuck yeah! That's a lyric from a song.
No.
Yeah. Or they just say the F word all the time. Yay, screamers! This is true.
This is made by little kids in India.
Well, this is true.
Hey, where's my foot? All right, cool. Thank you.
We didn't take care of it. There's another one.
What happened to the guy?
Dude, really? Come on. Hey, if you listen, hey, guys, if you listen, you can hear the delay down there.
The what?
You listen, when you hear the boom, listen to the delay back there. You just hear it keep on going.
No.
Yeah. You're not cool. Nah, it's all good.
No, you're not sure.
It's all good. Dude, I had 2 bags of popcorn.
Oh, you're crazy.
Dude, I got the refill. I got the refillables. I had 2 of each. I had 2 popcorn and 2 drinks. Those ones are cool. There's one. There's 2 more.
That was an awful picture.
Just take a video then.
I don't feel like breaking the speed limit.
Well, this is true, but
Yeah.
you know, well, this will be a good test. See if I can get gunshots up on this thing.
I just ate a cooked pineapple.
Good for you. Healthy.
Bad idea.
This is what I came here for.
I mean, like laying there.
Yeah, this is what I came here for. Laying down in the grass, watching fun.
Dude, can you help me out? That's tomorrow.
What?
You know, the ambulance.
You don't even know what time she gets there.
But that's what I'm trying to find out.
Well, how can I?
But still, you're there from 3 to 5, so I'm thinking like, hey, maybe.
Yeah. Well, I can't go looking around while I'm in class.
Oh, yeah, I know.
So I can only look around there for like 30 minutes before when I get there, and like 2 minutes when I get out.
Yeah. Can you do that?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
I did that yesterday. I did that yesterday anyway. So if I don't know when or where, then thousands of people there.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of people.
I mean, I'll try, but you know, don't expect miracles.
Exactly, you have to see the miracle.
The Miracle. That was an okay movie.
What?
The Miracle.
You mean Miracle on 34th Street?
No, The Miracle was a baseball movie.
It's like Moneyball.
Yeah, sort of. But I will go.
I don't like baseball.
It is America's slowly dying pastime.
No, 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 right?
I don't know. I semi recognize that song.
Like Katy Perry?
No, I don't listen to Katy Perry. I don't have time for crap.
I don't have time for that.
No, I kid, but no, I don't listen to her. Although that song is vaguely familiar to me.
Huh.
Vaguely. You know, if audio is ruined on this thing, I don't care. I still have the video.
Huh. Got a good picture.
I hope.
Hey, you gonna post this on Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay, I got
Well,
something to say.
maybe. Depending, this might be broken into 2 pieces.
Oh, that's good.
I mean, this might also go on my YouTube channel.
Hey, dude, here, make me a friend.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
Just like subscribe to me and then that'll be easier.
I guess so. Oh, but no, they always have a friend. You know that.
Yeah, I know. I don't get how it works. I'm a YouTube noob. I don't know how it works. I just do stuff.
Oh. I joined back in 08.
Well, yeah, so did I, but like I didn't do anything.
Oh, let me guess, Bowman's class.
Yeah.
No, me too.
I know. Yeah, I did it just so I could get
So I blog, right?
well, no, I did it so I could subscribe to people.
Oh. I did it because it was on my head.
I don't really remember anything from mine. That's why I was kind of sad when those girls were saying hi to me. I couldn't remember them.
Wow.
For the love of God, I was just like, I don't. Oh yeah, screamers. Love these things.
Yeah, it's been 72. Sorry. 7 days since.
You've been keeping track?
Since the last day of school.
You know that.
Only 27?
Yeah.
No, it seems like longer than that.
I also got funded by Finder.
What? You keep dreaming.
No, really.
You know, we've been over this a bunch of times.
No, dude. See that D'Angelo. I know that.
Okay, well, yeah, that's not my point.
Yeah, but no, I mean, like, just when the time is. That's
Okay, that's different then, I think. Yeah, that's... Yes, you still have time for that. You have until August 2nd. That is when... That's when it stops.
Wait, is that intended to be a smiley face?
Yes, it is.
Or is or is that just simply activated?
No, it's made to do that.
Like, oh look, let's throw a blue one and a red one right here.
No, they are made to do that. There's multiple ones going on.
I expect something more complex.
Well, they have ones that are singles that do multiple things. Do you like those?
Oh, got it.
And those.
Those don't look really good.
So is this computer activated?
Yep.
It's like enter.
Well, yeah, they figured out a whole quarter for
Yeah.
it.
You have to get them after they pop in?
I opened this book. Yeah, that's my favorite book.
You know, I thought that it would just be so much louder and it would just give me much more of a punch here, but this is nice. This is good.
I feel like Teddy Atlas. And you're like Joe Tessifar. Other boxer commentators. And like in boxing.
Yeah.
And they're the ones who comment like, whoa, that was a terrific right hook. Or something.
I think you can tell when the person goes down. Yeah, that was pretty good.
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Like, oh, maybe Manny Pacquiao could use a little work on that.
Did you see the news about
Tim Bradley and Pacquiao?
that the judges are being investigated for corruption?
Yeah. No, see, the thing is, the reason it was obviously because they have the same promoter.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the hell? You're not, that's illegal in boxing. I bet you there's like such a coin. Oh, Tim Bradley's gonna win no matter what. Even he did awful in that fight. Oh, freaking horrible. I actually seen the fight.
No.
Oh, I've seen it.
Because I don't watch that.
Oh, there's another fight coming up. It's with Nonito Donaire.
See, the thing is,
He's a French guy.
I don't get the channels for those.
Oh no, you have to pay-per-view.
Yeah, I don't get those.
Oh. You have what do you have, like DirecTV or Comcast?
I have AT&T.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, then what the hell? You should get
It's the basic.
Oh, dude, come on.
Dude, I can't afford anything more.
Oh, this guy. But yeah, I have like HBO.
What is the right side up?
So what's up with Liz?
I don't know.
I don't know. I thought they were gonna bring her or something.
Well, yeah, I wanted to, but she never answered. She had to take care of her brother anyway.
Oh. Hey, what about Jamie?
That was just a personal. Oh god, I'm searching for the right words for it.
So look what you like blew her out.
No, I kind of led her on more than I really should. Oh, here we go. No, I led her on more than I should have. It was more like a chronic,
So you wanted to have a thing, but then you ended up not having.
Well, no, I wanted to have a thing just for the thing.
What? Wow, always like superficially.
Yeah.
Wow.
When I realized that, I was just like, I can't do that to her.
So that's kind of,
Yeah, exactly.
why don't you just have a thing?
Because I can't do that to her. Oh, here we go. More.
No, like JJ, why don't you just have like a thing? Like, hey, what's up?
Well, yeah, I can still say hi, what up, you know.
No, I mean, no, like an actual have like an actual.
Because I just explained that. I realized that I just wanted the thing for the thing. Feeling. I didn't actually want I realized that like I didn't really want her, and I was like, I can't do that to her. I just can't do that. Yay!
I kind of does that. What did you say?
No, I guess we just kind of eased it off.
Oh.
I hope anyway. It seemed like last year there was more of a punch to my chest down at the bank.
Oh.
Nope.